Hey there, it's Katie and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my dorm tour, finally. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you my whole room today and everything like that. So let's not go into a long intro and let's just get right into it. So first off, I'm just going to give you an overview of the room. So this is the room. It is a double room in a suite, just so you know. But I think I already mentioned that in before I put this and everything. So this is the overview and everything. So first off, we have this mirror. My roommate already had it here and stuff, so but I have one very similar to it. It is from Target. I don't know where hers is from, but the one I have is from Target. Everything's just pretty generic. And then these are our closets. So we have a trash can, the school provides right there. Then I keep my shower stuff right here. My shower caddy, I'm pretty sure, is from Target. And then just have all the shower stuff. My Old Navy shower shoes, of course, they're just like typical flip-flops. Then this is my closet. I like to keep it pretty organized, like color coordinate my stuff almost in a way. And then I like to keep my scarves here, but that's pretty much my closet. Keep my scarves there and everything on this little hanger for pants. And then in my drawers, I'll show you those, but I love like how we have this in our closet. So the top drawer, I keep my underwear and tank tops and bras and stuff like that. Then my good old sock drawer. And then I keep my towels, face towels, hand towels, and body towels, or shower towels, I guess you would call it, in there. And then right here is where I keep my shoes. I have this shoe rack that I believe I got from Marshalls and everything. And then I keep some of my extra stuff down there. And then these are just extra shirts, coats, that kind of stuff. Stuff I don't really wear, I guess, as often. But I have Marshalls bags up there, and my suitcase is right there. And then in my bin, just have like extra stuff that I don't really get to because obviously that is really hard to get to. And then up here is where I keep my bin, which just has my blow dryer in it, coffee, creamer, hair ties, just extra stuff that I don't use on the daily. So I have 100 K-cups that I never use. And then I have my garbage bags and everything. And then I have Clorox wipes, Glade nail polish remover, all that kind of stuff right there. And then I have paper towels. I have travel mug that I never use. I keep a towel up there, more Clorox wipes, and then my Keurig box up top, and just spoons and everything. That top shelf is definitely stuff I don't use on the daily because I cannot get up there easily. Then I hang my robe right here on a command hook, of course. Then we have this lamp. It is definitely crooked right now, but there's no fixing that, honestly. There really isn't. Then I have this little holder thing, I guess is what you would call it, and this is where I keep my towel or clothes that I air dry for when I do laundry and stuff like that, which I think I might show you in a video upcoming. I don't know. Then I have this thing I got like little when I first started college and first living in a dorm a couple years ago, or more than a couple years ago, like 4 years ago. And I just keep like things like a tooth floss, whatever you call that, deodorant, makeup wipes, different things. I guess the essentials right there. So to keep. And I have this card, Christmas card, and everything right here that I keep there. And then this is my desk, I guess. And yeah, this part, like the lighting gets a little weird because the lighting in my room this year just sucks. So I just have my essentials on my desk. So I have this little holder that's from Target where I keep all like my hairbrush, sprays, moisturizers, lotions, all that kind of stuff. That's where I keep that. I have cards above that and everything that I keep there. And then I keep my headband there. I actually wear that a lot. My tissues are right there. I have staples. I have this random box just sitting there, hair ties. And then, like I said, my headband's there, and that's where I keep like my books, my DVD player, my Chicago Fire, thanks Allie, and yeah, like books, notebooks, whatever. And then I have cookies there because my mom just baked these REP cookies because they are now gone. Stapler, pens, and I have this little pen holder. I keep my necklaces here. I actually forgot to bring this home. I'm home by now when I'm recording this voiceover. So those are just sitting there and everything. And I'll try to link everything I can down below. ColourPop gave me that when I ordered a package and stuff. So that's there. I have like picture of me and friends and picture of Skoda, me and Allie. My pen holder, I believe, is from Target. I don't know if I'm going to be able to show you that, but it's from Target. And my makeup brush holders, which I'll try to link down below. I have a cup that I mostly keep my makeup brushes in, which is from Marshalls. And yeah, and then there's my makeup brushes like I mentioned. And then here is my makeup mirror. Oops, I accidentally turned it on, but hey, there's my mirror, and yes, it turns on, it lights up and that kind of stuff. And then I have like my hair thingy here, and then I have this cool mat thing I got from Marshalls to keep my straightener on, my Keurig that I literally never use. I just always buy coffee rather than make it, just because, I don't know, I just like my coffee ice, so that's what I always end up doing. Like I said, makeup brushes, and that's pretty much everything on my desk. Then my power strip is down there, my surge protector, whatever you want to call it. Usually keep my backpack on my chair with my coats and everything, whatever I'm wearing for that day. Everything actually got oddly warm, but I was wearing a winter jacket. I mean, I still am. And then I have this little bin thing right here, and then I have also a bin thing down there where I keep other stuff that I don't use often or that I need good access for. This little bin thing I actually got from my neighbor. He was like getting rid of it, so I have this, and then on top I keep random stuff like my Q&A book, like that top thing to my makeup brushes, a hole puncher because I was using that from time to time. Okay, so opening this drawer up, I just have folders in there, my planners, stickers, stuff I need for classes, textbooks, you know, nothing really too exciting, just, you know, the general class stuff. And then back there I have my wallet, nail files, and these are just more, I guess, daily essentials, things I want to get to, I guess, quicker, I guess. I don't even know how to explain it. That's kind of what I have in this drawer. And then in my second drawer, this is where my makeup stays, and then I have other things like emergency, a little kit, I guess, for like, I don't know, like an emergency kit. I don't even know what to call this, but that's where I keep this kind of stuff, I guess. Everything, it's kind of just more like health related and beauty stuff, I don't even know. And then in this drawer, I keep most of my textbooks in here, actually, if not all of my textbooks, so they kind of just stay in that one, I guess, and that's it for that little thing. And then I keep my boots usually on the side of here, like when, you know, like on the side of my little desk. And then I also keep my laundry basket there and everything, so that's where my laundry basket is. I have one of the rolling ones, which I definitely recommend if you're in college because it's easier to, like, you know, for your laundry. Then this is where all my snacks are, and sadly I have like nothing left. Like literally when I left today, literally have nothing left. I have these Trader Joe's nuts. These are literally the bomb. You need these in your life. They're so good, but I just keep my snacks in here because you need snacks in college. You need food when you're hungry. I don't know. Then I keep my purse here, and then this is my bed, and this is my bedding. So my comforter is from Target. My pillow, sit-up pillow, is from Target. That gray blanket is from Marshall's, as well as the purple one. The just general sheets are from Target, and then the pillowcases, and actually I think the comforter, I think I might have just said it's from Target, but it's actually from Marshall's. I'll try to link everything that I can down below. My iPad and my laptop are just sitting there, and yeah, this is my bedding. I love my bed. I actually love this bedding. It's actually super cute. Chevron? Yes, we love. And then on my bedpost, I usually keep a couple bags I use. These are like my going home bags. And then here, this is, I guess, my dresser that goes under my bed. So here I just have shorts and everything, which obviously I'm not using right now because it's friggin' the middle of winter. And then this drawer is where I keep my pants, jeans, that kind of stuff. Then here on the bottom drawer is where I keep my pillowcases, sheets, all that kind of stuff, just extras of those. Then on the top drawer, this is my pajamas. So I have an assortment of pajamas, summer, winter, you know, the usual. And then the second drawer is just t-shirts. I actually organized this drawer like recently, but when I filmed this, it was definitely not organized. So I just have a bunch of different t-shirts, a lot of YouTuber merch, just shirts I wear on a daily basis for like class and just my life at college. Then here is my like comfy clothes, like comfy pants, and you know, workout things that I definitely don't use to work out because I never work out so bad. I need to like start. Then right here I have a stool because my bed's a little high. I need that, and I believe that's from Marshall's. I have like my moccasins sitting there. I have other shoes just around, and my rug, by the way, is from Marshall's or TJ Maxx, one of those stores. I really like it and stuff. I love the rug. It's just, you know, a lot better than the one I had before. And here's my fridge. Sorry, the lighting's so bad. The window is obviously right there, so it's hard to show you, but that's my fridge and everything. And I have my Brita on top. My roommate has her like dishes right there. Okay, so what is in the fridge? My roommate has like a bunch of food that like I feel like is unnecessary, but whatever. And I like my ice stuff in there. And then in the fridge, nothing really exciting, just like drinks, like apple juices, stuff like that. And my roommate has a few things in there, but I also keep my water in there. Like that's my personal water thing. And this little like trash thing that I got from Target, I just keep my juices in there because I have way too much to actually fit in the full fridge, so that's where I keep those. And then this is my wall. I really like the wall, like how I have it set up. So I just have all my pictures on the wall. I kind of have them in like kind of like somewhat of a coordinated kind of thing. And then yeah, a lot of pictures of my dogs, my friends, and just like, and then my Katie sign that I personally made myself when I first started college, which is insane that is like still a big part of my room. But that's my bed area, and this is probably my favorite part of the room in general stuff. Now going back to like the top of my desk, so I keep like all my lotions and like face stuff in a little box. But mostly there's my lamp. It's from Target. I have this sleepy time stuff because I always like to have this for each when I'm about to go to bed, so I can just reach over my bed to get it. Then I have my water bottle right there. This little thing I need like online with pictures, so Skoda is this month's little thing, which I love this. It's like I just love it, okay? Then I have this inspirational block thing, I guess. It says begin each day with an open heart and mind. And I also have this jewelry holder from Marshalls, and then I have this like heart jewelry, like I don't know what you would call that, but that is from Marshalls. I have flash drive and glasses sit there as well. And then I have like just all my skincare stuff like I mentioned before in this little Birchbox. And then going out to the main area, so the bathroom is literally like right there, and this is our bathroom. So we have 2 sinks and everything, and a decent mirror, and then this is our shower, which is pretty nice for a college shower, let me say so myself. And then our bathroom is separate from all, like the toilet, like in a stall. And then we have like our lounging area, I guess. But yeah, this is my room and everything. So I'm going to do another review again, but I hope you enjoyed this dorm tour. I'm so excited that I finally got to bring it to you. And yeah, so if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe as well, and comment down below and give yourself snacks. See you in the next video. Bye.